this off by running out to Orinoco, where the best sister ever is celebrating her second birthday, Scarlett Lassiter. Scarlett, I want you to have a marvelous birthday and a very Merry Christmas, kiddo.
And we've got Thomas Ray Porter turning 5 years old this year, playing with the bubbles there. Happy birthday, Thomas.
That's a lot of bubbles right there. That's not too bad. Elsie Anderson. That's a pretty cool pic right there, Elsie. She's celebrating her 6th birthday. I'm very happy to Elsie in Fort Scott.
Christian Bledsoe celebrating birthday number 10 this year in Frontenac.
What's up, Christian? Happy birthday, my man. Addison Morris, she is also now double digits. Congrats to Addison and a happy birthday in Cherokee.
Heading out to Chanute to celebrate birthday number 11 with Cadence Whitworth. Hope it's a great one.
At number 11, you know what? A popular number. I'm going to stick with it. Because we got a little Labette County Grizzly cheer right there. As Hunter Myers, she celebrates her 11th. Hunter, in that basketball and cheerleading mecca we like to call Mound Valley.
Jayden Woolsey celebrating birthday number 15 this year. That's right, give us some more cowbell.
Oh my gosh.
Jayden in Altamont.
Jayden, I want to know where you got that shirt, dude. I want to know where you got that shirt. That is classic right there. Now get this. Look who's 40. That's right. Hold on. Let's take a second. Let's soak it in. Hopefully he's on vacation and he's not even watching. Hopefully somebody just sent this in. But this is great. And not only that, with the Hatch, the Austin Hatch shirt, that's too cool, man. And I've known this dude a long, long time. Hey, welcome to the 40-year-old club, my man. And he's done so much for the Hayslip kiddos as well. So a very happy 40th birthday to Ryan Barcelona. And Ryan, I love the fact that I know that event that you were at right there. I know that meant so much to the kids as well. So thank you for that. And a very happy birthday to you, Mr. Ryan. And a very Merry Christmas to you.
Here's a big one for Miss Lori Klein's turning 60 years old this year. A little throwback pic there in Edna, Kansas.
That's a great picture right there. That's awesome. I love that. All right, Hilary Blackburn. She is celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh, and I want to tell you, Miss Hilary, a very happy birthday from your mother-in-law. So Hilary, have a great, great birthday and a wonderful Christmas. Tom and Yvonne Ghettle. This is why this was familiar, because when I saw their name pop up on the list, I was like, wait a second. Didn't we just have them recently? That's because Yvonne had a birthday last week. Mm-hmm. And so Tom knew what he was doing there. He's like, I keep everything together. I keep my holidays in a row there. He's like, I got Yvonne's birthday.
If I forget one, I can make up for it the next week.
Right? No. And then he's got Christmas on top of that.
That's just the.
So it's like he can
Christmas.
Right. And so he's like, okay, if I can do the birthday and then the anniversary and the Christmas, I got Tom. Kudos to you, my man. Hey, you know what? After 48 years, Tom and Yvonne, they're doing something right. Yep. So congratulations to the Gettles. All right, it's been a while since I called anybody out, hasn't it? Okay, Miss Sandy, we will find a picture. We will find a picture at some point in time. I promise you that. But a happy birthday to Sandy Emerson in the NAC. Rosie Borkart, she's celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday to Miss Rosie in Pittsburgh. And Marissa Seward with a birthday as well. Happy birthday to Marissa in the Bird. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of our KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.